Oh, hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be unboxing, testing, and sharing specs about the Treatlife Smart Outdoor Dimmer. This is a dimmer switch that works indoors and outdoors and is highly programmable through its app. Ready to check it out? I am. Let's do it. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'll be your host, Kevin. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. And if you like these videos where we review all sorts of wonderful tech that is inexpensive, please subscribe. And if you do, I highly recommend turning on that notification bell so you know when we drop another episode of Good Tech Cheap. Alrighty, so today we're going to be checking out the Treatlife Smart Outdoor Dimmer. Everybody ready? Let's do it! The Treatlife Smart Outdoor Dimmer 400 watt IP44 works with Alexa and Google Home. Voice control and 1% to 100% dimming. This Alexa smart plug can adjust brightness levels from 1 to 100% with Alexa and Google Assistant voice assistants. It can easily control outdoor lights by sending that voice command like, Alexa, set my patio lights to 40%. No hub required, and app control. The smart dimmer plug does not need to be connected to a cumbersome hub. Just simply plug in a device and you can control your outdoor smart plug via Treatlife app directly from anywhere as long as your phone can access to a secure 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Please note though, 5.0 GHz Wi-Fi is not supported. The maximum distance of Wi-Fi coverage is 300 feet within no obstacle. Schedule sunrise and sunset mode. Create customized schedules to automatically turn on or off according to your daily routines. The outdoor dimmer also supports sunrise and sunset setting, so you can program by automation to turn on at dusk and off at dawn. You can create group and vacation mode by creating a group for several smart outlet you can control. Combine Wi-Fi plugs in one command. Set the dimmable smart plug to turn connected light on and off at random to give the appearance of your home when you're away on vacation. Worry-free support. It's IP44 waterproof, FCC certified. With ABS fireproof material, you can safely use this dimmer plug to light your outdoor string lights, bedside lamp, or any party lights. Any unexpected quality issues, please contact Treatlife immediately to activate your warranty service so as to get the best solution in the first time. Don't waste any of your money. Another really neat feature is you can connect your Treatlife dimmer to a home assistant such as Alexa or Google Home. We have an Alexa here, and let's see what it can do. Alexa, turn off smart dimmer living room. Alexa, turn on smart dimmer living room. Alexa, turn smart dimmer living room to 50%. Alexa, turn smart dimmer living room to 100%. Very cool. Alrighty, and there you have it. It works indoors, it works outdoors. I thought the app feature was very easy to use, a really great interface. I love the convenience of it, and I love the fact that it has that built-in security feature to program a schedule while you're away, so lights turn on and off. Voice command's not bad too. All in all, great. Want to find out more? Link in the description below. Please click on that. And once again, if you like these videos, please give us a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop another episode of Good Tech Cheap. I've been your host, Kevin. Thank you so much for watching. From Los Angeles, California, stay safe, be kind. We'll see you next time.